Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your headphones JLab JBuds Lux. And firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. And now you can click on your earbuds at the device list, headphones, or it automatically reconnected. Now, if it didn't help you, we should perform a soft reset. So, press and hold this multifunctional button to turn off your headphones. Here we go. And after that, press and hold it again to turn on it. Here we go. And again, we have connected. If it also didn't help you, sorry, we should remove and add these earbuds, headphones. I don't know why I use earbuds. So click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device. And now, as you can see, it entered to pairing mode automatically, so just click on it at the device list. We did it also. But if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a hard reset. So, firstly, turn off your headphones. And after that, press and hold it again until your headphones is turned off. So firstly it turn on and then enter to pairing mode. And maybe I didn't press good. Yeah, so it turn on and then it should enter to pairing mode. And after that you should just wait it turn off and make a hard reset. Here we go. Now, we should remove these earbuds from the phone, so click information icon or settings, forget. Also don't forget to click pair new device on your Android, and now turn on your earbuds, and it automatically enter to pairing mode, so just click on it at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video, it's really important to us. See you later!